It's the revolution. Oh, hey, carpet cleaning world. It's Roger Lloyd, man. I love it when a plan comes together. You know, I did a job just now. I guess y'all might have saw the video. Just did Miss Ann White's house. And it came out well. And she loved it. But the trick of it is, it was only 2 area rugs. And she got a couple sofas done. And, you know, this is what it looked like. Let me let you guys see it. That's what it looked like. You see, Miss Ann White, BioClean. That's it. Yes, sir. That does say, in case you're having a hard time, $815. That's right. $815. Man, even got a tip. Hey, why not, right? You know, and then the other thing is, that's a contract. That's a maintenance plan contract. Now, see, you guys probably still tripping over this. No, it wasn't just area rug cleaning. She got pet odor removal too. See, I told you, if you split it up and you make carpet cleaning, and you make pet odor removal, then you can come out with checks like this. 2 hours worth of work. 2 area rugs. Yeah, they were 12 by 14, but 2 area rugs and 2 sofas. Oh, I get y'all getting all excited now, right? Oh, Roger doing the thing. He done made, man, that's crazy. I'm loving it. I'm feeling it. No. And you shouldn't be, because that means I failed you. I'm making these videos and I'm failing you. But see, I had to show you this first so it would get your whistle wet. But that's not the important part, guys. Do you know after I pay my mortgage, I pay my car note, my truck note, that little money's gone. This is what y'all should be excited about. This is what y'all should be tripping about. Oh, man, Roger got a contract. The lady's gonna pay him every month. The revolutionary residential maintenance plan is working. Because now, this lady, yes, she paid me this today. But in a matter of a week or less, I'm getting ready to tap her credit card on the 1st of every month. On the 1st of every month. And that's what you guys should be getting excited about. Because, once again, the fortune isn't in the job today. I'm getting ready to go in my bank. This is gone. The fortune is in the follow-up. You know, it's here. I'm showing you. Yeah, this is impressive. And this was a nice Saturday morning. 2 area rugs and 2 sofas. That's impressive. But that's paid. That's already spent. Don't you know next week is the 1st of the month? That's spent. But my maintenance plan clients are what's going to pay my bills. Now imagine if I had 20 to 30 maintenance plan clients or members, then I could get excited about this, because then I'll be going to party tonight. But I'm not. Not yet. Because I need you guys to understand. I need you guys to help me push this so America, so the world, the carpet cleaning world, will understand this is how carpet cleaners residentially are doing business now. They need a maintenance plan. You guys need to call me, get the Roger Lloyd residential marketing package, and get your residential maintenance plan contracts. Like, what's going on? Like I'm showing you. You guys just saw her. She made a video for you. She made a video for my regular clients. Like, she was happy. I took the odor out of her whole house. Oh my God. I forgot to even share this with you, and I forgot to ask her in front of you guys. You guys remember that CTI video I made about the vapor delivery tunnel? I left that in her house for 1 week. 1 week. That's $50 extra. Come on, man. Are you kidding me right now? Wait. Y'all always like to crack jokes. So come on. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Are you kidding me right now? Come on, man. You guys can do this. You guys can do this today. All you have to do is call me. 610-202-2294. You can stop just doing things the way you're doing it today. Start putting your business on autopilot. I'm not just telling you this stuff. These people don't like me, and they're just getting on in here inside of their house making videos because they just say Roger's a nice guy. But that's not true. I am a nice guy. But they're trying to help me because they see my vision. Isn't that sad? My clients see my vision, but not the carpet cleaning industry. Oh, no. Oh, no. Well, that's crazy. No, nobody's going to get on it. I like the $850 check, Roger. I like that. But no, I don't want to make money again and again and again. That's too much. Giving you $300 to make money again and again. I don't want to do that. Nope. Are you crazy? You must be. 'Cause my phone not ringing yet. My phone is not ringing yet. How many clients' houses do I have to go into and show you that they would rather keep their carpets up all year around and not have to worry about it? Well, you know what? I'll sing the song myself. Y'all can come sing it with me. It's the revolution. It's the revolution. Come on, we can do a little dance. It's the revolution. The revolution. Well, it is for me. Because y'all should come to the conference in August. It's going to be explosive. The people that come to the Carpet Cleaning World Revolution Conference are going to go home, and their life is going to be changed. And the way they run their business, the way their carpet cleaning business is set up, they're going to have happier employees. They're going to make more money. They're going to have better equipment. And they're not just going to talk about the one truck mount that they have for $40 or $50 or $60,000 that they can suck the nail out of a wall. Because, you know what? When I made this today, I ain't sucking no nails out of nothing. It's the revolution. I'm going in my bank right now. You want to come? Listen, the fortune isn't in the job today. The fortune is in the follow-up. Again, and again. Now, you got to ask yourself, I just moved to this area a year ago. Do you understand in the next 3 months how I'm getting ready to take over? Do you understand that when I put the maintenance plan on autopilot and everyone on Facebook is talking about it, everyone on Google is talking about it? Did you listen to the video? The lady said first she saw my video on Facebook, but then she decided 3 months later to get her rugs clean. And then she saw me again on Google. Like, what's going on? Listen. But then it wasn't that. I went in there. I gave her a price to clean her area rugs. Then I gave her a price for pedal removal. But it wasn't until I edu-cleaned her. It wasn't until I explained to her that area rug cleaning was area rug cleaning and pedal removal services were pedal removal services. And then I gave her the option with my BioClean OSRs to give her lavender, vanilla, and apple. And she chose vanilla. Like, guys, it's nothing else to say. Cha-ching. Since all y'all know is the job today, right? Cha-ching. Cha-ching. 2 hours worth of work. 2 hours worth of work. And then she's giving me more money next month. And then she's giving me more money the month after. And then she's giving me more money the month after for the next 12 months. Are you kidding me right now? And I'm sharing. It's not like I'm telling you this because I'm bragging. I'm sharing. Like, you guys can do this too. Call me. You can have this stuff. I can email it right over to you. Like, what's going on? What's going on? It's not like you can't do it. It's for sale. It's yours. It's here. 610-202-2294. And then if you're dyslexic and you know you do things backwards, it's 4922-202-016. Oh, man. Like, come on. What's going on? Don't y'all want residual income? It's 2018. It's the year of the vision, where residual income should be your only decision. Until tonight, Saturday Night Fever, I think I'm going to talk about how to sell upholstery tonight. It's up to you. It always was, and it always will be. What are you going to do about it? That's the question. So, it's the revolution. What y'all going to do? Because it's going to happen. It's going to happen. Y'all take care. I'll see y'all later on tonight. We're going to talk about upholstery cleaning and how you can sell it for maximum profits. If you're interested in making more money learning how to sell upholstery cleaning, I'll see you tonight at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturday Night Fever. You know what it is. Y'all take care now.